Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to add a button link in Revolution Slider. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that we'll simply open our Revolution Slider overall review. So guys, we are simply going to be using this slider. So we'll click on edit. So once you get here, you can see we don't actually have any button here. So if you want to add a button, you simply click on what add layers. From there you choose the button. We'll simply drag it here, place it here, and choose the button design we want. So let me just choose this one. Okay guys, we are just creating it. We drag it down. Let us put it here. So okay, that's it. So after that, you can simply rename this icon. So you can rename it like subscribe. Now, so once you are done with that, you simply need to click on what action. Once you're there, you simply click on what simple link. So these are the various buttons you can add. So I'll simply click on what simple link. After that, I'll simply go to my YouTube channel. I want to copy my YouTube channel link there to place it on that button. So I'll paste it here. After that, I'll simply close it. I'll click on what save. So once you are done with that, you can simply we'll go and verify. I'll refresh my browser at my home page. So this is a clickable link we just placed here. It's going to direct me to my YouTube channel. So guys, that's actually the way you add your button link in Revolution Slider. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.